Today, we're diving into the world of wearable technology with a focus on the top 5 Haylou smartwatches. From fitness tracking to stylish design, join us as we take an in-depth look at each of these incredible devices, exploring their unique features, performance, and how they can seamlessly integrate into your daily life. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech lover, or simply looking for a reliable smartwatch, you won't want to miss this rundown of the best Haylou has to offer. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Haylou Solar Lite Smartwatch. Experience an unparalleled visual journey with the 1.38-color large display, delivering crisp visuals and immersive interactions. The metallic circular bezel exudes elegance and sophistication, while the touch control and physical button ensure seamless and intuitive operation. Elevate your style with the abundance of watch faces, offering over 100 online options for every occasion. Personalize further by adding your favorite pictures, crafting a unique expression of your individuality. Unleash your potential with 100 workout modes, supported by an upgraded high-precision motion sensor that accurately captures your progress. From intense workouts to leisurely strolls, track every move with precision. Conquer the elements with IP68 waterproof and dust-proof rating, allowing you to push boundaries without hesitation. Dive into your workouts or simply wash your hands with confidence, knowing your watch can handle it all. Prioritize your well-being with scientific sleep monitoring, offering insights into your sleep patterns and empowering you to cultivate healthier habits. Monitor your blood oxygen levels dynamically, ensuring you stay energized throughout the day and night. Stay in tune with your body with 24-hour heart rate monitoring, providing timely alerts to safeguard your well-being during workouts or rest. For our female users, seamlessly manage menstrual cycles with predictions and reminders, embracing each moment with grace and ease. Combat stress with all-day detection and breathing training, enabling you to find balance amidst life's demands. Sync calls and notifications in real time, ensuring you never miss a moment of importance. And with a remarkable 20-day battery life, enjoy uninterrupted usage without the hassle of frequent charging. The Haylou Solar Lite smartwatch is more than just a timepiece. It's your partner in health, style, and convenience. Experience the difference today. Number 4. Haylou Watch R8 Smartwatch. With its bigger display and clearer view, immerse yourself in a world of vivid colors and sharp details, thanks to the 1.43-inch AMOLED HD screen. But it's not just about the display. The Haylou Watch R8 is built tough with its anti-sediment design, ensuring durability for everyday wear. Stay connected like never before with the upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 chip, providing a more stable connection during calls and enhancing overall performance. Ready for any challenge, the Haylou Watch R8 boasts remarkable resistance to heat, cold, water, and shocks, making it your resilient companion for any adventure. Track your fitness journey with over 100 sports modes meticulously designed to capture every move you make, whether you're indoors, outdoors, or at the gym. Express your style with over 150 online watch faces to choose from, ensuring your watch reflects your unique personality. And forget about tangled wires with wireless charging, giving you up to 7 days of battery life under typical usage. Effortlessly manage calls and stay organized with the integrated voice assistant, making the Haylou Watch R8 your perfect partner in life. Experience the future of smartwatches with the Haylou Watch R8. Get yours today and take your lifestyle to the next level. Number 3. Haylou Solar Plus RT3 Smartwatch. Crafted with an exquisite metal bezel and corrosion-resistant matte finish, the Haylou Solar Plus RT3 is not only stylish, but also durable, making it perfect for your daily fitness routines. Choose from over 100 watch faces to match your mood and style, or create your own custom face with the Haylou app, ensuring that your watch always complements your outfit. Stay connected without lifting a finger with Bluetooth phone call support. Simply lift your wrist to answer calls, even during your most intense workouts. With its stunning 1.43-inch AMOLED display boasting 466 by 466 pixels, every detail comes to life with unprecedented visual clarity. Never miss a beat with the always-on display, providing you with essential information at a glance, no matter the activity. With over 105 sport modes and 24-hour heart rate monitoring, the Haylou Solar Plus RT3 is your personal workout coach, helping you achieve your fitness goals and stay healthy. Track your sleep quality and manage stress levels with ease, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. And with features like menstrual cycle management, IP68 professional water resistance, and a remarkable 7-day battery life, the Haylou Solar Plus RT3 is truly a game changer. Upgrade your lifestyle with the Haylou Solar Plus RT3 smartwatch, the perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability. Get yours today and experience the difference. Number 2. Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch. Are you ready to elevate your everyday experience? Introducing the Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch. With its stunning HD Retina-grade AMOLED display featuring 368 by 448 pixels, immerse yourself in unprecedented visual clarity. And comfort? It's in the details. The magnetic strap ensures a snug fit while being effortlessly adjustable. Express your style with over 100 online watch faces. Want more? You can even upload your own photo for that truly personal touch. But it's not just about style. With over 100 sports modes, the Haylou RS4 Plus is your trusted fitness partner. Track your workouts, analyze your performance, and push your limits. And speaking of personalization, the multi-UI main menu lets you tailor your experience to your unique style. It's all about you. Sleep is crucial for your well-being. With smart sleep monitoring and deep sleep recording, the Haylou RS4 Plus helps you develop healthy sleep habits, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. And don't worry about the elements. With IP68 dustproof and waterproof rating, this watch can handle anything from intense workouts to unexpected downpours. Plus, with up to 10 days of battery life on a single charge, you can stay connected without interruption, even during your busiest workdays. Experience the future of wearable technology with the Haylou RS4 Plus smartwatch. Elevate every moment, starting today. Number 1. Haylou RS3 smartwatch. Crafted with a Bauhaus-inspired design, the Haylou RS3 combines timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology. With its AMOLED display and aluminum alloy frame, every glance at your wrist is a statement of style and sophistication. But the Haylou RS3 is more than just a stylish accessory. It's a companion for your well-being. Whether you're hitting the gym or exploring the great outdoors, the Haylou RS3 is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. And with an impressive battery life of up to 21 days, you can leave the charger behind and focus on the journey ahead. Stay connected and never miss a beat with real-time notifications right on your wrist. Dive into your day without hesitation, thanks to the Haylou RS3's water-resistant design. Make it yours with customizable watch faces that reflect your unique style. And with precise Sony GPS tracking, you can confidently explore new routes and push your limits. Take control of your health with 24-hour monitoring and personalized insights. From yoga to running, the Haylou RS3 has 14 workout modes to help you achieve your fitness goals. Elevate every moment with the Haylou RS3 smartwatch. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.